Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to set nickname in Instagram chat. To set nickname in Instagram chat, first of all, you have to tap open Instagram application in your device or visit the official website, that is instagram.com. Either way, make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in, tap on the message icon located on the top right. Now open one of the Instagram chats. To add nickname, simply tap on the profile name. Here you will see the option to change the theme, chat controls, privacy and safety settings, and right below privacy and safety you will see nicknames. Tap on it. Remember, nicknames are only displayed in this chat. To set nickname, simply tap on the profile name. And now you can edit the nickname here. Tap on the profile name again. Then enter the new nickname. Once you are done editing, simply tap on Done button located on your right. And with this, you have successfully set nickname in Instagram chat. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.